How to allow storage permission on Samsung. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you allow storage permission on Samsung. To begin with, you have to open your settings first of all. As you go to settings, you want to then come ahead and locate apps. As you go to the app section, right at the top or in the top right hand side corner, you could find these three dot icon. So you just want to click on all apps and go to the three dot icon. Then you will be able to find a special storage system. You just want to make sure to click that out. And next, what you need to do is there on the particular field, you want to go ahead and click on allow file access, that options. And when you enable or click on the option, you could see a list of applications available. So what you want to do is just simply select the particular app for which you want to allow storage permission on Samsung. And next, once you've enabled the permission, you want to come back to the home page and look for it and see whether you've successfully enabled the storage permission on Samsung or not. So this is the simplest way you will be able to do. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.